Hello friends, today on the special occasion of Bihar Divas, I would like to highlight some facts about Bihar. First, we will talk about the Bihar, which paved the way of ancient history of India, birthplace of Chandragupta Maurya, who even defeated European kings and set the course of glorious history of India. After that, we will talk the reasons about why Bihar became the backward in almost all the indices released by Indian government and different organizations. Indices like poverty, indices, literacy rate, and so on. In all these indices, why Bihar is lagging behind? What were reason which made Bihar so backward in all the areas, and why the development of the Bihar stagnate? March 22nd marks the Bihar as a separate province from Bengal Presidency in 1912. Now we take a deep dive towards a glorious history of Bihar. Bihar is the birthplace of two religions, Buddhism and Jainism. Gautam Buddha got enlightenment in Bodh Gaya under Bodhi tree near the Niranjana river, whereas his contemporary and 24th and last Tirthankar of Jain Dharma Mahavir Swami got enlightenment or Kaivalya in Nalanda district at Jrimbigram under Sal tree. These two religions originated in Bihar and spread all over the world. Nalanda University. Nalanda University was among the world's first university where people come from different countries. More than 30,000 students and around 3,000 teachers had been studying and teaching in Nalanda University with residential facilities for both teacher and students, where a very efficient administrative system was present there. To take admission in university, a unique system was there. If any students want to get admission in that university, had to debate with gatekeepers who were scholars, and they only get admission after gatekeepers approval. When the gatekeeper satisfied by their answers, then only they get admission in Nalanda University. Students visit in university to study of Buddhism, astrology, philosophy and science. In 1190s, during Bihar campaign, Bakhtiyar Khilji destroyed this university completely and set to fire. It is said that the library had been burning for almost 6 months. Even today, Nalanda University is a mystery for researchers how such a big complex was managed so well in that time. World's first republic, Vaishali, dating back to 6th century BCE, was in Bihar. The great Magadha Empire, which consolidated large part of India and contributed to significantly to the Indian culture. In medieval history, Sher Shah Suri ruled India and built Grand Trunk Road and introduced the rupiah as a currency of India. During modern time, Bihar was a center of trade and commerce. Almost all the European companies had set up their trading center in Patliputra, present-day Patna. Against British truce, Bihar has played a significant role. In the First War of Independence, Veer Kunwar Singh played a significant role. In his 80s, he had defeated many British commanders. In 1970, Mahatma Gandhi led his first satyagrah, Champaran Satyagrah. in Bihar, and this was a successful movement which increased the Mahatma Gandhi prominence in India, where he used non-violence and truth as a weapon of satyagraha. Now we see how Bihar lost its glory. Bihar, once a center of power, learning, and culture, lost much of its glory due to the combination of historical policies, socio-economic political challenges, and economic mismanagement. During British Raj, the British exploitive policy, like permanent settlement of 1793, adversely impacted agriculture by creating exploitative tenure system. This led to stagnation in agriculture productivity, which was the backbone of Bihar. Post-independence policy like freight equalization policy. This policy redirected industries away from resources-rich states like Bihar, present Bihar and Jharkhand. After the partition of Bihar Jharkhand in 2000, all the important resources went towards the Jharkhand side, which is the major cause of the backwardness of Bihar economically. Caste-based politics. After 1991, caste-based politics overshadowed governance and development efforts. Political priorities shifted from infrastructure and economic growth to identity politics, further hindering progress. Criminalization of politics. During 1990s, organized crime and political corruption created an unfavorable climate for business and industrial setup. This led to capital flight and migration of professionals to the other state. Educational decline. Once home to ancient universities like Nalanda and Vikramshila, Bihar modern education system deteriorated due to poor governance and lack of investment, resulting in low literacy rate and an unskilled workforce. And one of the major reasons is poor infrastructure. Bihar lagged in infrastructure development post-independence with inadequate roads, healthcare facilities, and public services compared to other states. Floods and natural disasters. Frequent floods in the northern part of the state causes widespread damage to agriculture and infrastructure, further hampering development efforts. Post-independence, land reform were poorly implemented due to resistance from the upper caste landlords. This perpetuated inequality and poverty among the rural population. Economic mismanagement. The state failed to utilize its resources effectively with low industrial growth and insufficient fund allocation for development projects.